Welcome back, everybody. There is a high risk Bitcoin is going down way more than you think. First of all, we're looking on the weekly chart. Okay, look on the stochastic RSI. We just got a signal here, a sell signal here. You can see the stochastic RSI is crossing back down here after we broke the bear flag. Okay, we had this again here on this leg, and we had it here on this leg. Okay, now this is no coincidence. You can see three signals on the stochastic RSI on the weekly. On the breakdown of the flags, okay, that's the first flag we had, the big one, and now we had the second flag, the big one. We're talking about the bigger one, not the smaller one. We had another two here. We had a flag here, and we had a flag here, okay. But the major ones, they are actually signaling the legs of in the Elliott wave counts, okay. There could be, this is a theory, right? It could be way wrong, okay. But you can see that could be our first leg. Let me show you with the Elliott wave thingy here. Okay, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside. Okay, could be. Okay, I think it can be on point here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside. Bitcoin can definitely go to 12, 14, 10. It doesn't matter. But we need to complete this fifth leg. Okay, now the fifth leg could end, really, make a marginally lower low and reverse, all right? Or it can be like, significant lower low, okay? Now we need to watch. First of all, we have a lot of bearish reasons to be bearish, okay? To be very bearish, all right? And we told you, go short. We told you, go short on the breakdown of this bear flag, okay? We told you guys, go short. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, and click the bell notification and subscribe to the channel, do yourself a favor, because we warn everybody before something bad is going to happen. Because the most important thing when you're trading is protect your losses, okay? Protect your capital from big losses. You don't want to take big losses, okay? And you definitely want to know how to short, because that's amazing profitable strategy. Okay, so we have a risk now of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're looking on the macro picture. Now let's zoom in here on the daily. The daily, we just broke off the flag, okay? That was the flag, 60 days flag. We pretty much made a retest of the flag here. You can see the retest here, and then we broke the bearish here again. Now, we're having some serious troubles in the stock market that, that pushing Bitcoin down. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, first of all, the S&P breaking bearish here. We had this first leg down, boom, and now we could be in a crashing S&P. You can see this is looking very bearish, and we broke below the 50-day MA on the S&P. Sorry, not the RSI. The 50-day MA is here. You can see we held it as support for a day yesterday, and today it looks like it's going to confirm a breakdown unless it closes above 4K. Okay, it needs to close above 4K, the candle body. Because I have a lot of shorts opened, I really wanted to close below it because I want to see more blood. Because that will mark the bottom faster, and I will be able to make much more money on the short trade. So, and you can see the S&P, you see the S&P just got rejected again from this trend line, and you can look also on the stochastic on the S&P. It tells you really, it screams bear. It screams bear. You can see here. Look at the stochastic. Boom. We just got a cross here. That's a sell signal. You don't mess up with the stochastic cross back down. Look, every time it crossing back down on the S&P right here, once it get rejected from this trend line, it means trouble. First rejection here, boom, a 15% drop. Second rejection here, 22% drop. Third rejection here, now we have a risk of coming to test the lows, and really I think it have a higher probability of going to new lows and to tag the trend line, because you can see it's like a ping pong between this trend line to this trend line. Okay, so there is a high risk that the S&P is going down here, and as you know, if the S&P will go lower, Bitcoin and crypto will go lower. Okay, so this is very bearish for Bitcoin and crypto. Obviously, this is a macro picture. It can bounce in the smaller time frame. After you see the video, you can see the market here, but really the trend, the bigger trend is bearish, and you want to be careful, okay? You want to be careful, or be in cash, or short crypto and altcoins, okay? Just take shorts, all right? And really, you have also the VIX. The VIX telling you I'm breaking out, the VIX is breaking out. When the VIX is in the green, markets crashing, okay? Markets crashing. If the VIX will keep pushing higher today and the DXY will make a new high this week, the markets will be in trouble, and we can see a big move on the DXY and a big crash on all markets out there. So really, pay attention, time to pay attention, time to learn how to short. And really, if you're just a perma bull and you're looking just to invest and hodl, wait for the dollar to top out before you start buying, because we can see a big move to the downside before marking the bottom on Bitcoin and crypto. All right, guys, so thank you very much for watching. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and let me share with you a short trade we took a couple of days ago. And Celsius here, you can see in August 21st, everybody got notified here, boom. Look at this. Let me zoom in here. We short the break below 235. Let me show you the Celsius chart. Celsius, you can see that was our short, okay? Let me zoom in. I'm on the daily now. Let me zoom in here. You can see that's the short. 235, okay? You can see here. We short this breakdown. You can see we had this breakdown here, right here. That was support. Boom. Once it lost this level, we entered a short trade. Look what happened to the price. The price collapsed completely. 64%. Who says you cannot make money in a bear market, man? Bear markets are actually amazingly profitable because most people do not short the markets, okay? They don't short, okay? Most people do not short. Most people just sell and capitulate and panic sell. So if you combine fear and gravity, okay, because coins that are going down, they're going down much faster because there is no money to propel them, so they just fall in, you know, and gravity just crash them. Okay, so you have two strong elements, fear and gravity, that back in your shorts, and the money is just, you know, flowing into your account. You just need to know how to short, where to put your stop, and then you make the big money. Okay, make the big money. So if you want to come and join us and make the big money, you can click on the link in the description here. Choose a tier. We do market updates every day, trade alerts, shorts, longs, anything you need. We have trading lessons, shorting tutorials. See you in the next one. Cheers.